Experience the ultimate in portable charging with Anker's latest innovation, the Meta Power Bank. Designed to complement your MagSafe-compatible iPhone, this cutting-edge power bank offers up to 15 watts of Qi2 charging power, ensuring you stay connected wherever you roam. Embracing Qi2 technology, with the recent addition of the iPhone 12 to the Qi2 certified lineup, Anker's Meta Power Bank emerges as a game-changer in the world of portable charging. Seamlessly compatible with iPhone models 12 through 15. This power bank delivers lightning-fast charging speeds, empowering you to fuel your device in record time. Unleash lightning-fast charging. Bid farewell to sluggish charging speeds. Anker's Meta Power Bank boasts 15 watts charging coils, capable of revitalizing your iPhone 15 Pro from 0 to 50% in just 45 minutes. Whether you're on the go or tackling your daily routine, this power bank ensures you never miss a beat. Unrivaled versatility beyond its charging prowess. The Meta Power Bank doubles as a convenient stand, offering a comfortable viewing angle for your device. Say hello to iOS 17 standby mode and bid farewell to awkward device placements. Plus, with pass-through charging capabilities, you can charge your device and a power bank simultaneously, ensuring uninterrupted usage. Elevate your charging experience. For those seeking power beyond the iPhone realm, Anker presents a lineup of larger power banks at unbeatable prices. From the 20,000 mAh Prime Power Bank to the 24,000 mAh Powerhouse, these versatile chargers offer ample capacity to fuel smartphones, cameras, laptops, and more. Efficiency redefined. Anker's Prime Power Banks deliver unparalleled efficiency, boasting high-speed charging capabilities and multiple ports to accommodate all your devices. With sleek LCD displays providing real-time insights into battery status and power consumption, you're always in control of your charging experience.
Don't forget to visit our webpage where you can find the best sales of different Amazon or AliExpress products in different categories. The products are uploaded each week. Visit wadabe.pro, link in the description.